Electric vehicle batteries have become increasingly popular over the past decade, and with good reason. Not only do they provide an eco-friendly alternative to traditional gasoline-powered cars, but they also offer a cost-effective solution for getting around. But what happens to these batteries once they reach the end of their life? That's exactly what we'll be exploring in this video. What happens to EV batteries when they reach the end of their life? We'll take a look at how EV batteries are recycled, how they can be repurposed, and the potential risks associated with their disposal. So do subscribe to our YouTube channel and give it a thumbs up for such interesting videos. Without wasting more time, let's dive in. EV batteries typically last between 8 to 15 years, depending on usage and maintenance. When they reach the end of their life, they can no longer hold a sufficient charge to power the vehicle, but they can often still be used for other purposes. One option is to repurpose the batteries for stationary energy storage, such as for solar panel systems. Another option is to recycle the batteries to recover valuable materials like lithium, cobalt, and nickel. Additionally, the used EV batteries can be used for grid stabilization and balancing. Recycling. EV battery recycling is a process by which the valuable materials in used EV batteries are recovered and reused. This not only helps to conserve resources, but also reduces the environmental impact of mining new materials. The recycling process typically begins by dismantling the battery and separating the individual components, such as the electrodes, electrolyte, and casing. These components are then processed to extract the valuable metals, such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel. The recovered metals can then be reused in the production of new batteries or other products. Additionally, recycling EV batteries can also help to address the problem of e-waste, as it reduces the amount of discarded batteries that end up in landfills. EV battery recycling is still in early stages, but it's gaining more attention as EVs are becoming more popular and the need for recycled materials for new batteries is increasing. There are some companies that are investing in the development of recycling technologies to recover the valuable materials from used EV batteries and make it more efficient and cost-effective. Refurbishing. EV battery refurbishing is a process by which used EV batteries are brought back to a usable state through repair or replacement of damaged or worn-out components. This can extend the life of the battery, allowing it to continue to be used in the vehicle or for other purposes. The refurbishing process typically begins with a diagnostic test to determine the condition of the battery and identify any issues that need to be addressed. Depending on the results, the battery may need to have individual cells replaced, have its cooling system repaired, or have its software updated. After the necessary repairs have been made, the battery is then recharged and tested to ensure that it meets the manufacturer's specifications. Repurposing. EV battery repurposing is the process of using used EV batteries for purposes other than powering a vehicle. This can include using the batteries for stationary energy storage, such as for solar panel systems, or for grid stabilization and balancing. Repurposing can extend the life of the battery and provide additional value for EV owners. When a battery is no longer capable of providing the power needed for an EV, it can still have a significant amount of energy storage capacity remaining. This energy storage capacity can be used for other purposes, such as providing backup power for buildings or for energy management in the electric grid. Repurposing used EV batteries can also help to address the problem of e-waste, as it reduces the number of discarded batteries that end up in landfills. Additionally, repurposing can also provide economic benefits, as it can be less expensive to repurpose a used battery than to purchase a new one. Which topic should we cover next? Do let us know in the comment section below. See you in the next one.